In this video, let's look at how to build a course in the Strivr Portal for distribution to your company's headsets. To get started, open the content library, the catalog of all your company's courses and training experiences. Courses are made up of modules, and modules contain one or more training experiences. The Strivr team might create experiences for you, or you might make them yourself using Strivr Creator, or import them from other tools, like Unity. Let's make a new course by clicking Build Course. Enter information about the course. The name you add here will be seen by learners when they choose courses in the headset. Pick a PNG or JPEG image that represents the content of the course. Like the name, this image will be seen by learners in the headset. Then, add a description that will help identify this course in the content library. And click Add Module. Like the course, enter a name, add an image, and add a description. Just like for the course, the name and image will appear in in-headset menus, while the description shows in the content library. Click Save Module. Next, select experiences to add to this module. Start by clicking Add Experience. You'll see a list of all the experiences in your content library. If you have a large number of experiences, you can narrow the list by searching by experience name. When you see the experience you want to add, just click it to add to the selected list. When you have selected all the experiences you want, click Add to Module. You'll return to the course. Reorder modules or experiences within a module by dragging them to the new location. The order you see here is the order in which they appear in in-headset menus. If you like, you can continue to add new modules or add experiences to an existing module. When you're happy with your course, click Save at the top of the page. Your course will now appear in the content library as a draft. If you're ready for a draft course to be reviewed by your internal team, use the Save drop-down to select Save and Publish. Note that you won't see the Publish command until all required fields are filled out and the course contains at least one module and one experience. You can learn more about courses, course statuses, and deploying courses to headsets at support.strivr.com. Thanks for watching.